Introduction to Payment Report. COM. Payment Report. COM is a rent reporting platform designed to enhance credit profiles, whether you are using a personal Social Security number, SSN, or a credit privacy number, CPN. This platform offers a practical, affordable alternative to traditional credit building accounts, allowing users to report rent payments and establish a strong credit history. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using Payment Report COM effectively to maximize your credit potential. The evolution of credit building methods. The credit landscape has undergone significant changes. Platforms like Self-Lender, Kickoff, and BoomPay are phasing out or becoming more restrictive by requiring verification through the Social Security Administration. Payment Report COM, however, remains accessible, offering a more impactful solution. It provides credit building services for a fraction of the cost and adds years of credit history to your profile, giving you a competitive edge. Key features of Payment Report COM. Affordable pricing. A one-time fee of $45 gives you access to this platform, making it significantly cheaper than most traditional credit building accounts. Extensive credit history. Payment Report COM can backdate rental history by 2, 4, or even 10 years for an additional small fee. CPN-friendly. No Social Security number or ID is required. Users can submit a lease and start building credit immediately. Ease of use. The platform allows you to act as both the tenant and landlord, giving you control over the reporting process. How to set up and use Payment Report COM. Register as a tenant and landlord. Begin by signing up for 2 accounts, one as the tenant and the other as the landlord. Create a rental agreement. Use tools like Form Swift COM to generate a rental agreement that includes your name, CPN address, and landlord information. Identify property ownership. Find out who owns the property by searching the county tax assessor's website. Input their name and address in the landlord section of the lease. Verify details. Submit the lease to Payment Report COM. As the landlord, you will verify the details of the tenant, yourself or the CPN holder. Benefits of using Payment Report COM. Establishes credit age. Gain years of credit history instantly, improving the appearance of your credit profile. Primary Tradeline reporting. This primary trade line enhances your creditworthiness. Cost effective. Avoid the high costs of authorized user accounts or prolonged credit building accounts. Customizable entries. Tailor your rental agreement to maximize credit building potential. Preparing for the future of credit building. With 2023 bringing stricter verification processes, platforms like Payment Report COM provide an invaluable solution. Take advantage of its features now to solidify your credit profile before further industry changes occur. By adding credible, long-term trade lines, you position yourself for success in obtaining funding and achieving financial stability. Final thoughts and next steps. Payment Report COM offers a unique, affordable way to enhance your credit profile with minimal effort. Whether you are building personal credit or enhancing a CPN, this tool provides a reliable, impactful solution. Take action today and explore the resources linked below to start your credit building journey.